Let's learn how to divide a two-digit number by a one-digit number using long division. We'll use 56 divided by 4 as our example. Step 1. Set up the problem. Write it in the division format. Step 2. Divide the first digit. How many times does 4 go into the first digit 5? 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8, too big. So we use 1, write the 1 above the 5. Step 3. Multiply and subtract. Multiply. 4 times 1 equals 4, and subtract from the first digit. Step 4. Bring down the next digit. Bring down the 6 to make 16. Step 5. Divide again. Now divide 16 by 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Write the 4 above the line, next to the 1. Final answer. 56 divided by 4 equals 14. Another example. Let's try 83 divided by 5 with a remainder. Step 1. Set up. Step 2. Divide first digit. 5 goes into 8. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. Too big. Use first step. Bring down the 3 to make 33. Step 4. Divide again. 5 times 7 equals 35. Too big. Use 6. Multiply and subtract. Final answer. 83 divided by 5 equals 16. Remainder 3. 16 with a remainder of 3. Key tips. Always start dividing from the leftmost digit. If the divisor doesn't go into the first digit, consider the first two digits. Your multiplication facts are crucial for good estimates. The remainder must always be smaller than the divisor. Check your answer by multiplying the quotient by the divisor and adding the remainder.